You think you are just an introvert. You tell yourself you enjoy the peace and quiet of your empty room. That is a lie. You aren't introverted. You are pacified. You are not lonely by accident. You are isolated by design. A lonely man is a profitable man, and your silent desperation is a billion-dollar industry. In this file, we decode the sedation trap. We will expose how the system engineered the greatest epidemic of male loneliness in human history and why they are terrified of you finding a tribe. File 1. The Invisible Man. Look at the architecture of the modern world. 50 years ago, men had physical tribes. They had the workplace, the home, and the third place, the garage, the boxing gym, the local diner. It was a physical arena where friction created brotherhood. Today, the third place has been bulldozed. It was digitized, monetized, and sold back to you as a monthly subscription. Everything outside your door costs money, so you stay inside your climate-controlled box. You didn't lose your ability to make friends. The physical battleground where friendships are forged was simply deleted from the map. File 2. Synthetic Intimacy. A lonely, frustrated man is dangerous. Throughout history, men with excess energy and no physical tribe have started revolutions, built empires, and overthrown kings. The system cannot allow that. To the modern corporate machine, a driven man is a liability. So, they engineered the perfect sedative. They replaced your reality with synthetic intimacy. Your primitive brain is powerful, but it is easily tricked. It cannot tell the difference between saving the world in a video game and achieving greatness in real life. It cannot tell the difference between a high-definition pixelated girl on a screen and a real partner. The algorithm is designed to deliver the dopamine of heroic conquest and sexual success, but with zero risk of rejection, zero friction. Why would you cross the city, risk public humiliation, and build real social value when you can get the exact same chemical reward from your couch? You wouldn't, and that is exactly what they planned. They hijacked your biology to drain your drive. The modern entertainment industry is not a service. It is a containment protocol. You are not building a life. You are just leveling up a digital ghost while your real body rots in a chair. File 3. The Wolf and the Ghost. Look back just 2 generations. Your grandfather crossed oceans, faced economic collapse, and built a life with his bare hands. To find a wife, he had to cross a crowded room, face the very real threat of public humiliation, and speak. To survive the harshness of his era, he needed a physical brotherhood. Men relied on each other because the world was heavy. They lived in a state of high friction. Now look in the mirror. You get anxiety if the food delivery driver calls you instead of texting. You cancel plans because leaving the house feels like an impossible task. You swipe on a glowing piece of glass, begging an algorithm to hand you a soulmate without the risk of a real conversation. You have traded the brutal, beautiful friction of reality for the absolute safety of a padded cell. You think you are avoiding danger, but you are actually avoiding life. The system sold you comfort, but comfort is just the anesthetic they use before they amputate your agency. You are not a wolf. You are a ghost haunting your own apartment. File 4. The Hard Reset. So how do you break the cage? You cannot fight a digital addiction with digital tools. You have to seek the exact thing you have been programmed to run away from: friction. It is time to run the extraction protocol. You must cut the sedatives. Cancel the digital subscriptions that sell you synthetic intimacy. Delete the pixels that simulate achievement. You have to force yourself back into the physical arena. Go to a boxing gym. Join a local run club. Find a place where men sweat, struggle, and fail together. Brotherhood is not built in a comment section. It is forged in shared physical suffering. The system is absolutely terrified of a man with a real physical tribe. Why? Because a connected man is no longer a desperate consumer. A man who has the respect of his brothers does not need to buy digital garbage to feel like he matters. He becomes immune to the algorithm. He becomes dangerous again. Stop feeding the machine that isolates you. Unplug the pacifier. Step into the friction. File 5. The 72-Hour Protocol. Knowing the trap is not enough. You have to walk out of it. If you want to break the sedation, you will execute this 72-hour protocol starting the moment this video ends. Day 1. The silence. No podcasts, no music, no background videos while you work, eat, or train. You will sit in silence. You will face the noise inside your own head. You will realize how terrified you are of your own thoughts. Endure it. Day 2. The Purge. You will delete every application on your phone that provides synthetic intimacy. The dating apps where you are treated like a ghost. The social media accounts of people you will never meet. The digital garbage that drains your drive. You cut the supply line. Day 3. The Anchor. You will leave your climate-controlled box. You will go to a physical environment with high friction. A gym, a combat sports club, or even a local coffee shop without your phone. You will look a stranger in the eye. You will speak. You will remember what it feels like to exist in the real world. The algorithm hates what we are doing here. It wants to bury this transmission because a focused, united man is unprofitable. If you are ready to wake up, rewrite your code, and step into the friction, join the resistance, subscribe to the channel, and if you actually survived to the end of this file, drop a comment below with the word unplugged. Let's see who is still awake. The door is locked. The house is empty. Handle it.